Well, hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. Tara, luto tayo. Why cook one when you can enjoy two in one kitchen session? So tonight, we are gonna cook two Italian dishes. One baked Italian sausage rice and one Italian sausage pasta. We're turning Italian sausage into a beautiful baked rice, bursting with flavor, and a rich, saucy penne pasta your family will love. Effortless dishes with restaurant-level taste. Let's begin our little Italian feast at home. So start natin, initin natin yung pan, and then pag mainit na siya, lagay mo na yung Italian sausage. Walang oil kasi i-render natin yung fat ng Italian sausage. Pag medyo dry na, pwede ka na mag-add ng konting oil. Toasted na siya, so lumalabas na yung amoy ng anis kasi may anis ang Italian sausage. So pag ganyan na yung itsura niya, lagyan mo na ng konting oil para lumabas pa yung flavor ng sausage. So, lagay na natin yung onions. Siguro 3 medium onions. Pag nag-sweat na yung onions, sunod na natin yung garlic. So, inuna natin yung onions kasi mabilis masunog yung garlic. So, ang style natin ngayon, uunahin natin yung onions. Paiyakin muna natin siya. So, next natin yung garlic. Mga 3 bulbs of garlic. Pag medyo brown na yung garlic, lagay na natin yung tomatoes and the bell pepper and the tomato paste. Ang trick pala sa tomatoes, according to my chef friend, is paiyakin mo rin yung tomato. Kailangan rin pala sobrang lutong-luto yung tomatoes para lumabas yung oil niya. Tapos, once it does that, mas nagiging creamy yung sauce ng pasta. Mas masarap siya lalo. Siyempre tayo mga mommies, kailangan, di ba, we share tips kasi iba-iba tayo ng knowledge eh. So, dapat hindi tayo takot mag-share ng knowledge at the same time to accept advice or criticism minsan as long as productive, di ba? Kasi I know some people, they find it offensive pag nanonotice yung mga flaws o kaya yung mga weaknesses nila, but I'm not like that. I like to accept feedback kasi how will you know if you're doing good or not, diba? So, lagay na natin yung bell pepper. So, yung ibang chef, ang ginagawa nila, sabay-sabay yung paglagay ng gulay. Pero yung style natin, one at a time, para magkaroon ng chance yung bawat ingredient, lumabas yung sauce niya or yung flavor niya for a richer dish. Let's put that tomato paste. This is So, ilalagay na natin yung chicken cube. Ang trick pala sa chicken cube, mas mahaba dapat ang cooking time niya. Yung chicken cube pala, kailangan niluluto rin siya ng bonggang-bongga pag nagluluto ka. Hindi pwede na parang lalagay mo na tapos na, hindi pala ganun. Kailangan lutong-luto rin yung chicken cube kasi iba yung na-add niyang flavor sa dish. And at the same time, this is optional because there are people who don't like adding seasonings. But since Filipino tayo, mahilig tayo sa malasa ng pagkain, kaya I choose to add that. Lalo na ako, ang hilig ko sa maalat. So, ang next is, lagay na natin yung pepper. Pepper to taste. So, we add the salt towards the end of the cooking session kasi you want to make sure na tama na yung timpla ng food. Ayaw mo na parang mag-a-add ka na ngayon ng salt, hindi pa naman wala pa naman lahat yung ingredients to sa dish. Baka mamaya, hindi balansyado yung lasa ng cream. And then, lalagay na natin yung cream. Yung 3 cups, i-divide natin into 2 dishes. Yung 2 cups for the baked rice and the 1 cup for the pasta. We're just gonna let it simmer for a bit. So, check na natin if kamusta yung alat niya. At saka kung gusto natin magdagdag pa ng pepper. I love cream. For me, bitin pa. So, konti lang siguro kasi there are people who don't like to masyadong salty, but I like mine salty. So, dun tayo sa gitna. Para happy din ako. Tapos, dadagdagan natin ng butter towards the end for a rounder taste of the pasta sauce. Dagdag na natin yung parang 2 tablespoons of butter para lang mag-coat yung starch natin, which is the pasta ng may coat na shine siya doon. So, para siyang shiny, shimmering splendor. So, ngayon ilalagay na natin yung sauce dito sa rice. Basta lang makover yung dish. This is just hot water with chicken broth cube. Cover na natin. So, lagay na natin yung pasta sa sauce. Lagyan natin ng cheese. So, preheat na natin tong oven. So, lalagay na natin sa oven ng 30 to 45 minutes. Tara, tikman na natin. So, we made 2 dishes. I'll taste the rice first. So, ito yung dish na pwede mong gawin na kung hindi ka kumakain ng kanin, pwede ka mag-pasta. Pareho siyang masarap. Sarap. Don't take my word for it. Do the recipe and then mag-comment kayo kung kamusta yung recipe namin dito. Shout out to Ate Cecil Garcia from Los Angeles. She and Mommy Lenny are watching us, and also my sister Regina Tabio from Los Angeles also. Hi ate! Tapos si Sige Vlog. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram pages. Tara, luto tayo. See you sa next vlog!